Hey, what's up, guys? Retired Navy SEAL Jason Redman. We're getting ready to have our third Overcome and Survive workshop. And one of the things we do in this workshop is obviously explore different ways to survive, in either a small style like storm or all the way to the far extreme reaches of society has collapsed. And one of the things that you absolutely need in a survival situation is fire. If there's no electricity, if you're out on our own. And a friend of mine created this new item that we're testing. It's called the Pull Start Fire. So we're gonna test it here right now. If this thing's a good product, I'm gonna be putting one of these in every go bag that individuals will get when they come to our Overcome and Survive. So we're gonna set this up here in a minute, and we're gonna see how well it works. All right, guys, so we're in our fire pit, and my buddy told me this will work on wet wood. So I've got some wet wood in here. This is definitely wet and old. I've got an older log, but I'm gonna secure it to this to get it going. I'm building my base. And what we do here is we loop the string around a log so that we can secure it. And I'm actually gonna put this under this log. I'm gonna put a couple of others underneath it. I'm gonna anchor it down in my pile. Get this going. So, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna wedge that in, and we grab on to the red part, and then we pull this with force. And this is supposed to ignite and even light the wet wood. It's supposed to burn for 30 minutes. So guys, right now where I am, it is 3:48. I'll be back in 5 minutes. We'll see what this is doing. All right, guys, it's been 5 minutes, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. I'll cut some other footage, but this log and even this log came out of a wheelbarrow that was full of water. This log had already burned, and it's pretty wet sitting in the bottom of our fire pit. But this thing's really putting off some good heat. I did have a dryer. This log was a little drier that I put on the bottom, but it definitely has ignited this one. This log is catching on fire, and this log is too. So I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this right now. So I'm gonna test these some more, but I'm thinking these are gonna go in the Overcome and Survive go bags.